Get ready to sculpt and strengthen your core with this snatched waist workout. So this workout is just 5 exercises, but the magic is in the format. So this is my add-on format, which means we are going to do exercise number 1. We'll take a break, and then do number 1 right away, number 2, take a break, and then any guesses? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we do that for 5 exercises, and that's it. That's the whole workout. It's short, but it's intense, and you will definitely feel that working in your core and on your way to that sculpted, strengthened belly. All right, ready to hit it? Onto your back. All you need is the floor, a mat maybe, and that's it. So let's take it down. Our very first exercise is a basic crunch. So elbows wide, chin up and down. 20 seconds. Ready? Let's go. All the way up and down. So nice and control the whole time. Don't pull on your neck. Gaze is forward and lifted. Exhale as you come up. Nice job. We're about halfway there, more than halfway there. Exhale on that up. Give me 5 more seconds. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, take a break. Number 2, we are doing reps, not time. So legs are straight. This is a single leg pike-up. Looks like this, arms overhead. You're coming up to one leg, coming back down. Up and down, we're going to do 6 total. Now, if it's too much for you to come up all the way, you can just reach and stay on the floor like that. Ready? Starting though with our 20-second crunch. So bend your knees, elbows wide, and let's go up and down. Again, exhale as you come up. Keep your head relaxed, fingertips supporting your head, your neck is relaxed. Great job. We have 8 seconds to go. And then straight into that single leg pike. In 3, 2, and 1. Legs out. Here we go. Up and down. That's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2 more, 5, 1 more, and 6. And take a little breath. Moving on to number 3, bending your knees again. Lateral reaches. We're doing 10 total. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3. So you count every reach as 1. Okay, but not yet. Doesn't happen until we do the other 2. Starting with those 20 seconds. Elbows wide. Ready? Hit it. Up and down. Keep everything squeezed. Everything steady. Up and down. Again, never pull on your head. Keep your chin lifted. You are doing great. More than halfway there. Give me 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Leg straight. Reach overhead. 6 single leg pikes. That's 1. That's 2. 3, 4, 2 more, 1 more, and then we're going to bend our knees and laterally reach for 10. Here's 10, 9, shoulders stay off the floor, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. All right, into 4. 4 is just going to be side crunches. You're going to kick your legs out, kick an arm out, put an arm out. 5 side crunches like that, and we're rolling right over to the other side to do 5 there. But what comes first? Our basic crunches, 20 seconds. All right, chin up, elbows wide. Let's go, up and down. Nice and control and steady. Go at your own pace, but keep going. Very nice. We have 10 seconds to go. And then again, right into those single leg pikes. In 3, 2, and 1. Arms overhead, legs straight. Let's go. 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 2 more, 5, 1 more, and then bend your knees, reach, lateral reaches. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Right away, kick your legs out and pull it in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and keep your legs out as you switch. I'll face this way. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and onto your back and relax. Good news, we have one more. Our very last exercise is just 10 bicycles. Every time you twist, that counts as one. 10 bicycles, and because it's the end, we're ending with a hold, a 5-second hold. Hollow man, hollow out your belly, and we'll just hold it right there. And that will be the end. Are you ready? All of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one after the other. Elbows wide, chin up, and let's go. All the way up and down. This is it. This is your very last one. Halfway there, 10 more seconds. Stay with me. All right, in 5 seconds, straightening our arms, straightening our legs for those single leg pikes. And let's do it right here, all the way up. That's 6. Control it up, control it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Bending our knees, lateral reaches. Here we go, shoulders stay up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. One side crunches. I'm going this way this time, but it's still 5 and 4, 3, 2, one more, and slide them across. Legs are straight. Here's 5 more, and 4, 3, 2, one more, and 1. Ready to do those bicycles? Let's go. Here's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, and hold. Legs out, shoulders up. Hold on for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug them in. Whew, great job. Rock a little side to side. How do you feel? Extend your arms, extend your legs. I am feeling it. Such a short workout, but when you build them like that, it gets serious very quickly. Go ahead, get yourself all the way up and bring your legs around. We're gonna do a stretch in a camel pose. So knees and hips aligned, and just push your hips forward, draw your shoulders back, and really stretch everything you just worked in your core right there. Good, and extend one leg out, reach all the way to one side, a little oblique stretch. Belly tight as you lift it up and over to the other side. Send your hips forward. And belly tight as you come all the way up, both arms up. And exhale, sink back into your heels. Really nice job. So let me know how it went, how you feel, how your stomach feels. If you haven't yet, give me a subscribe, give me a like. Have a great rest of your day. Great job on getting this done, and I will see you soon. Bye.